Model F Ultra Compact Keyboard Review. It somehow improves on IBM Classic. At a glance, expert rating. Pros: excellent typing feel, classic layout is instantly familiar, durable die-cast metal cases, easy to repair and customize. Construction: heavy key feel is not great for fast-paced games, lacks modern hardware and software features, expensive. Our verdict: the Model F Ultra Compact is a hardcore buckling spring keyboard for nostalgic enthusiasts. Best price today: Model F Ultra Compact, Model F $420. Modern mechanical keyboards hold endless possibilities in design and function, yet one experience remains rare: the classic buckling spring keyboard. This key switch design was popularized by early IBM keyboards such as the Model M and Model F, which are prized for their uniquely clicky tactile feel. Enter Model F Labs, a small company set up exclusively to produce buckling spring keyboards. The Model I received the intuitively titled Model F Ultra Compact, retails for an intimidating $420. They are a high price to pay for a keyboard with few modern conveniences, but I am sold. What is a what's a Model F keyboard, grandpa? IBM Model F is the original buckling spring keyboard launched in 1981 alongside early IBM PCS. It was standard issue for most IBM PCS through 1985. When the Model F was replaced by the more famous and affordable Model M, the Model F was still produced until 1994. However, the distinction between the Model F and Model M is important, at least to enthusiasts. enthusiasts. Though both are buckling spring keyboards, Model F keyboards don't have a membrane but instead rely on metal barrel plates. They are also absolute units. Most Model F keyboards have odd layouts or extra function keys. That's why the Model F Ultra Compact, which is based on the Model F 104, does not seem to fit its name. It's large by modern standard but small compared to many original Model F keyboards. None of this matter if you are not a Model F enthusiast, but if you are, I think you shall still like what you see. The Model F Ultra Compact layout offers the feel of a Model F but is condensed into a more modern arrangement. However, it is not a one-to-one reproduction of the original look, as this model lacks the sweeping accent lines that border each side of the original Model F keyboard train. The Model F Ultra Compact subverted my expectations with improvements to the durability of the original design. Original Model F keyboards sold for hundreds of dollars in the early 1980 and were robust, using thick plastic casing over a metal backplate, yet the new Model F Ultra Compact has them beat with a die-cast aluminum case and backplate that weighed, weighs in at roughly 9 pounds. IBM's design was rushed to be sure, but the plastic inevitably becomes brittle over time and is prone to discoloration, problems the new all-metal keyboard would not have.